So we're just in the Yorkshire Dales at the minute, and we're going to do both Yorkshire moors and Dales over the next 2 days. We did plan it for Andy's birthday, this trip, so it's been a bit of a surprise for him. His missus coming along unknowingly at last minute, so he's enjoyed it. But I'll try and get as much content for the off-roading for today. We just aired down our tyres. The sun's in my eyes there. But we're just airing down our tyres, then we'll get the move on. We'll try and get some videos, but we're not doing a lot of tracks, we're just having an easy weekend. But I'll try my best to get some content.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll play it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts.
Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go, on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
So, just to end the day, so this is part 1, and there will be a part 2, which will come out next week on Wednesday again at 6 PM. If you're a late watcher, I'll leave the link in the description at the end of the video so you can watch the next next part. Probably won't be doing much in the next part, but I don't know what we're going to do tomorrow, so obviously because we're the day before still. But we're just at our Premier Inn. I haven't got a sign to show you, but we're at the Premier Inn in Frisk. It's a good Frisk. It's a good little spot if you're heading to Yorkshire and doing both Yorkshire Dales and Yorkshire Moors. So I'll leave a little link to that as well, so you can plan a route around Yorkshire and then head out on the tracks, because the tracks are quite good. It's quite scenic. They're not as technical as some places, but they're nice and scenic. But we've had a good day today, with Chris's 90 all nice and shiny, and his new paint job, and the patrol, Dom's patrol right there, my car in the background, and then we got Dave and Andy's car there. All done really well today, but like I said at the start, this day it was just a birthday weekend, so we're not doing anything majorly technical, and anything that we did do today I wasn't really able to video. There was a really bad wind, I wasn't able to video because the tripod and that would just fell over and your ears would just be destroyed off the wind noise, which is a bit windy here to be honest. Gale force winds were on top of the mountains today, so I just got what I could for today. See what we get up to tomorrow, so stay tuned, check out the next video.